Going up, guys? Andre is here back with another video. So guys, I know y'all been trying to ask me questions, but please subscribe to me. Okay, subscribe to me, like my videos, and give me comments. What should I do next for my giveaway? I haven't still gotten the giveaway for the Heli Bosch. Oh yeah, guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to do the watermelon. I got this from Alex Wasabi a year ago. I've been doing it for 2 years, and yeah. So this is how you do it. Okay. Open your mouth like this, like wide, like. Okay. And then flick when you're done that, you're gonna flick. And then let air out like really slowly, like air like something like just air. But don't whistle, like don't go like this. Go like this. And then when you flick it, it'll sound like this. Okay, hopefully that makes sense, guys, because that's the only thing I can show y'all about. Not like show y'all about, but only thing I could teach you about. So yeah, that'll be the end of our video. Tomorrow there will be an everyday video, 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. 5 p.m. It's when I upload my video. Actually 1. So yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video, and yeah, I'll see y'all next time. And don't forget, if you're not smiling, you're doing it wrong. Goodbye, guys.